Hi everyone, this is Rajesh Singh. I welcome all to AyanshTutorials. Today I am going to explain about the summary of a chapter Triumph of Surgery. This chapter is very important for the students of class 10 CBSE board. The chapter A Triumph of Surgery is about a small dog named Tricky, who are always indulged by his rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, with tasty and unhealthy treats several times a day. Out of love, she would overfeed her pet. Gradually, Tricky gained weight and became lazy. He hardly exercised or went out for a walk due to his bloated structure. In due course of time, he became bulky and his lack of movement worried Mrs. Pumphrey. Soon, she consulted Mr. James Heriot, a famous veterinary surgeon, for treatment of her lethargic dog. Mr. Heriot was shocked to see Tricky's condition and took him to the hospital. He knew Mrs. Pumphrey's overindulgence would never let her pet dog lead a healthy lifestyle. He took the dog along with him and put him on a hospital bed. The dog didn't move for the first 2 days and didn't eat any food either. On the third day, Tricky went outside and played with other bigger dogs in the veterinary hospital. He ate the food that was given to him and also licked the bones of other dogs for the leftover food. The veterinary surgeon, Mr. Heriot, gave a balanced diet to Tricky along with plenty of physical exercise. Gradually, Tricky's condition started improving and he started fighting with other dogs for the meals. His mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, would send eggs so that her pet didn't starve and get enough energy to recover from the treatment. However, the veterinary surgeon, Mr. Heriot, and his partners would eat the eggs daily for breakfast. Further, Mrs. Pumphrey also sent bottles of wine to enrich Tricky's blood, but those again were consumed by Mr. Heriot and his partners. He felt sorry for eating the food that was sent by Mrs. Pumphrey for Tricky. Soon, the little dog started showing signs of improvement. The veterinary surgeon decided to call the wealthy lady H. She was very worried about her pet's condition. When she arrived in the veterinary hospital to fetch her pet, Tricky was very happy and jumped on her. Mrs. Pumphrey was filled with gratitude towards Mr. Heriot for curing her dog and felt she couldn't thank him enough for the wonder he had done to her pet. She felt this was indeed a triumph of surgery. And so the title of the story was given by the narrator, The Triumph of Surgery. Friends, this is very important chapter for the students of 10th examinations. They must read the lesson again and again for examination purpose. Now let's finish this video lecture today. We will meet you soon in next video with a new lesson. Jai Hind. Thank you.